want them to go in front of us? Hi, pretty. Oh, God. Okay. Why am I by myself up here?
Because you could, everybody.
Oh, God, guys. I'm taking it off.
I know.
Yeah, because she said, how many people in your group? I said 2. Oh, God. No, go in front of me.
No.
No, I can't. Oh, you are a little kid. No, is it? I don't know. Like this one. Is it real or fake? Real or fake? Is it real or fake? I can't go past that one. She looks too much like Reagan.
Well then, go out.
Oh, God.
Fake. The baby's fake.
No, is it?
She said it's fake. She was telling you. So that you don't get scared.
Oh, my God. Okay, watch your dress.